Hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. It is Al. I am in the loft. Now then, what's happening today? Quite a few things. Firstly, I've got to tidy up the loft because I'm doing a live stream. The postman's been, yes. Bought a couple of cameras, plug and play cameras, and 15 or 3 5-meter USB cables, which I'm going to string up on the rafters up there, so I can have plug and play cameras all around the loft. So that's something to look forward to. I'm not sure how many ways I can use them. Maybe it'd be good for you know, controlling the trains in difficult places, but let's see how we get on. So clean up operation, wiring, and then I'm going to go down to the model room to paint my signal box, because it's really asking to be fully southern railed with some yellow paint and some more green stripes. So let's do that. Yeah, let's get on with that. Well, hopefully, as you see, the loft is in a real chaos. It's in a total mess. So let's get the hoover going. Let's put all things back in their boxes, my grandson's trains back where they belong, and try and get some order in this loft. Well, there we go. I've got my cables in. These are the USB cables. The computer's going to sit there on the table, and the ends of the cables are there with quite a reel of extension to pull out. Over there is the other one hanging down there, and we've got a joint up there, so should be able to reach every part of the layout, so I can move the cameras around and yeah, find interesting shots for the live stream. Right, I've cleaned up a little bit. Now let's have a running session, because I've got to have a run. I haven't had a run for 2 days, so let's do it. Oh, B17, she doesn't like the gradients. My B12 will outpull that any day. It's a black 5. She does quite a good job. Don't go up the gradient you go. Feeling it, feeling it. S15 is back on fuel duties. Now look at this little thing. I'm going to give it to my grandson, he likes them. Not the best of photography, Alan. Never mind. Never mind. They're all coming at once now. This is what I want to paint up. Make it more southern region. It's missing the yellow and a few green stripes and we're done. What we've got coming? Yes, there goes the little pocket rocket. Hamster Terrier returning a brake van. There goes the sand train. I'm not sure, I think the oil train's creeping up on me right now. Yeah, here she comes. Right, let's take her downstairs. So. Well, there we go, I've had my little run session. Time to stop playing trains. It's gone 9 o'clock at night and I don't want to upset the neighbours, so I'm going down to the model room now. Oh, welcome down to the model room. I know this is a little bit unbelievable, but the southern boxes did have this yellowy custardy wash to them. It was like a custard yellow. This is near as I can get it in watercolour. We'll see what the end result's like. I've still got to put some more green lines on here and there just to... oh, am I hiding this? Yes, you probably are. I'm getting your hands in the way again, Alan. I'm hoping to do my live stream tomorrow. Oh, I've got cramp in my hand at the wrong time. Bugger. I'm hoping to do a live stream tomorrow. If it doesn't happen, please forgive me. I'm not sure if I've got the all the controls right yet. Oh, that's a bit much. My hands are not as steady as they were. My eyes are not as good as they were. Trying to get these lines nice and straight is causing a problem. Steady, steady, steady. That's how you can mess a good model up, by painting it so rough that it looks like, well, it just looks bad. Ooh, steady Al. Come on, let's do it. One more go. Right, I'll show you the finished product in a minute because I'm not doing this very quickly and I am struggling to keep my hand steady. Yeah, I get away with that. Right, show you the end result. And there we go. Clean my brush. Let's have a look, see what we've done. My hand's not as good as they were. Got green on top and bottom of the window, along the top here, and carried on the green stripes all the way through. So yeah, let that dry. I'm happy with that. You might think that lemon yellow is a bit gaudy. Oh, let's get the old Sharpie to finish this off, because that's see the cardboard there. Hopefully that's taken that out. Alright. I'm happy with that. I've got my lemon yellow that was meant to get, and this is what it's meant to look like in this next picture. And this is the yellow that I've got to find for my signal box, because the windows are white, as you can see, but all the plank is in this like lovely custardy colour. So there we go. This may well be Buckland Junction. I can't make up my mind. I think I'm going to wash these steps again with a bit of muck. Yeah, let's do that. Right. That's that up there. I'll do the brake van another night because it's getting late and I fancy a beer and I want to put this video up. So it's late Saturday night. Steps look a lot better now. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, so I'm quite happy with that. I've got to get my printer working and put the name of the signal box on there, and we're done. Yeah, happy with that. Happy, happy, happy. Right, well, take care people. This is the end of this video. I'm glad I had a running session today. It's kind of like made me feel a lot better. Actually, I think, you know what, I'm going to Sharpie these as well. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, I'll show you it in place. Whoops. Well, there we have her in place with its custard yellow colouring, white windows and green highlights. Yeah, I like that. I like it very much. Okay, take good care people. This really is the end of this video. It's getting very late and I've got a busy day tomorrow if I'm going to get this live sorted. So hopefully see you all tomorrow. Take care. Alan out.